In today's digital age, driving conversions is a top priority for businesses. A key element in achieving this goal is creating compelling call to action, CTA, buttons that entice users to take the desired action. Whether it's making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or downloading an ebook, the CTA button plays a crucial role in guiding users towards conversion. In this ultimate guide, we will explore effective strategies and techniques to create CTAs that truly drive conversions. Understanding your audience's emotional objectives. Before diving into the nitty-gritty of crafting compelling CTAs, it's essential to understand your audience's emotional objectives. What problem are they trying to solve? By addressing their pain points and desires through your CTA copy and design, you can connect with them on an emotional level. For example, if you're selling skincare products targeting individuals struggling with acne issues, your CTA could evoke emotions such as confidence and self-esteem by using phrases like, "Reveal clearer skin today," or "Unlock your natural beauty." By tapping into these emotional objectives, you can make your CTA more enticing and increase the chances of conversion. Using unique rationale. To demonstrate what readers will gain from clicking on your CTA button, it's important to provide unique rationale within your copy. Instead of generic statements like, "Sign up now," offer specific benefits or incentives that set you apart from competitors. For instance, if you're promoting a fitness app subscription service with a free trial period, start your free 30-day trial today. Get personalized workouts tailored just for you. By highlighting the personalized aspect of the workouts along with the extended free trial period compared to other apps, unique rationale, potential customers will be more inclined to click on your CTA button. Utilizing the what, why, how approach. To create a compelling CTA, it's crucial to follow the what, why, how approach. This structure provides clarity and guides users through the process. What? Clearly state what action you want your audience to take. For example, subscribe now, download your free guide, or join our exclusive community. Why? Explain why they should take this action by highlighting the benefits or value they will receive. Use emotional triggers and unique rationale to make it more persuasive. How? Provide clear instructions on how they can complete the desired action, whether it's filling out a form, clicking a button, or downloading an app. By following this approach in your CTA copywriting, you can effectively communicate your message and increase conversion rates. Using numbers for concrete takeaways. Numbers provide concrete takeaways that capture readers' attention and enhance their understanding of what they will gain from taking action. Incorporating numbers into your CTAs adds credibility and increases click-through rates. For instance, discover 10 proven strategies for doubling your website traffic. Download now. The number 10 indicates that readers will gain access to 10 specific strategies for increasing website traffic, something tangible that piques their interest and motivates them to click on the CTA button. Expanding on points with transitional words. To ensure smooth flow between sentences and paragraphs in your article as well as within your CTAs themselves, transitional words play a vital role in connecting ideas seamlessly. Here are some examples of transitional words, phrases. Additionally, moreover, furthermore, in addition, similarly, likewise, consequently, accordingly, correspondingly, in the same way, nonetheless, although, while, as with, and just as. Conclusion. Creating compelling call-to-action buttons is essential for driving conversions in today's digital landscape where user attention spans are shorter than ever before. The key to crafting effective CTAs lies in understanding your audience's emotional objectives, using unique rationale to demonstrate the value they will gain, and following the what, why, how approach. By incorporating numbers for concrete takeaways and utilizing transitional words to connect ideas, you can create compelling CTAs that drive conversions. Remember, a well-designed CTA button is just as important as the copy itself. Ensure that it stands out visually by using contrasting colors, clear typography, and an easily recognizable design. Test different variations of your CTAs to optimize their performance continuously. By implementing these strategies and techniques into your call-to-action buttons, you can significantly increase conversion rates and ultimately achieve your business goals. So go ahead. Start creating compelling CTAs that leave a lasting impact on your audience.